Hi guys. In this video, we're doing a quick summary of the 2015 Nepal earthquakes. So, what caused the Nepal earthquakes? Nepal lies on a collision plate boundary, where the Indian and Eurasian plates push towards each other, creating pressure and forming the Himalayan mountains. In April 2015, that built-up pressure was suddenly released, triggering a huge magnitude 8.1 earthquake, which was followed by a 7.3 aftershock just 17 days later. The focus of the earthquake was only 6 kilometers deep, which is very shallow. Because of this, the ground shaking was extremely powerful and destructive. Why is Nepal so vulnerable to earthquakes? First, poverty. With an average income of $2 a day, people find it difficult to recover as they have no savings. Second, building quality is poor, causing them to collapse during the shaking. Third, Nepal's mountainous terrain makes it prone to secondary hazards like landslides and avalanches. It's easily triggered by earthquakes. And finally, geologists have identified seismic gaps in the region. This means pressure has been building up for centuries, making future large earthquakes very likely. What were the impacts of the earthquakes? Tragically, 9,000 people died and 23,000 were injured. In total, 8 million people were affected. 600,000 homes were destroyed, leaving many homeless. Damage to water and sanitation systems led to outbreaks of disease. Economically, total cost of damage was $7 billion, about 35% of Nepal's GDP. The vital tourism and farming sectors were disrupted. Kathmandu Airport was shut down, hindering relief efforts. How did Nepal and the world respond? The Nepalese government appealed for international help. The United Nations raised $330 million for essential aid, like shelter, food, and medical supplies. Oxfam were on the ground, providing clean water and sanitation to prevent disease. India, the UK, the USA, and China sent specialized rescue teams and helicopters to help find survivors and deliver aid to remote areas. However, the response faced significant challenges. Poor local leadership, a weak healthcare system, and bureaucratic delays slowed down the delivery of aid. So what are the key takeaways? The 2015 Nepal earthquakes are a powerful example of how poverty, poor infrastructure, and geography can make a country far more vulnerable to the impacts of tectonic hazards. It highlights the critical need for better preparation, stronger building codes, and international cooperation in disaster-prone regions. Want to dive deeper? Check out the full video linked in the description, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.